Hi friends, welcome back to Master in ServiceNow by Muthu. So ServiceNow technical channel. So today's our topic is how to create the free ServiceNow instance to practice and any beginners. So I will give you brief introduction to myself. So myself Mutyalamma. So I am a senior software developer at leading MNC. So specializing in ServiceNow especially. So I have successfully completed a comprehensive set of certifications across various ServiceNow modules showcasing my expertise and commitment to continuous learning into the platform for the various modules. So I have completed a mainline certification. Some of the mainline are some of the micro certifications. So mainline certifications are system administration. So ServiceNow certified system administrator. In the short form, we will call it as admin certification. So other one is certified implementation specialist, IT service management. In a short form, we will call it as ITSM. So other one is certified application developer and as well as certified implementation specialist for customer service management, CSM. And also I have completed various agent simulators and some of the AI certifications in ServiceNow. And also you can see here in the listed some of the micro certifications as well. I have completed it. So DevOps, change velocity fundamentals, and now assist for IT service management, IT implementer. So all these things, right? This is my expertise in ServiceNow especially. So whenever you wanted to open the free ServiceNow instance, you have to go to this URL. So developers.servicenow.com dev.do. So dev.do is also not mandatory actually. If I am removing and clicking on enter, so automatically that dev.do will be coming right in the URL. So now you can see this page, UI page. So here you can see that different options. So build powerful apps, solve real-time problems, right? So here you can see one button called as sign up and start building. So you have to click on this button, sign up and start building. So once you have clicked on, it will ask you some mandatory fields like email ID. So ServiceNow 299@gmail.com. Right, first name I can give ServiceNow, last name I can give Muthu, right? So country I can select India. So if you type here, it will come actually. So once after you will selecting the India only, state will be, so you can able to select the state. Before that it will be read only field. If you observe, if I remove this country, see state is read only field. So whenever you are selecting country as a India, right, so then only you can see proper state name, right? So you have to give your password. Password should be actually these characters. Actually password should meet these criteria, right? Password must be have an uppercase letters and have a lowercase letters and have a number and have a special character and have at least 8 characters and not contain part of username. So it should not be the username, whatever username you are giving, right? That is not same as the password. Okay, so all these criteria needs to be satisfied, then only your password would be like good one, right? So then I am just giving my password. So see, all password criteria is green. That means I have satisfied this password criteria, right? So then you have to confirm the same password. So see, now it is, if you wanted to see the password, you can click on this eye icon so that you can see the password. After that you have to click on I am not a robot. So it will come some image. So you have to select that image. So here what it is saying, select all the squares with the motorcycles. So wherever you can see the motorcycle in the square boxes, we have to select each and every area without missing anything. Then only your robot can be verified. So click on verify. So once you have clicked on, here we have a checkbox called I have read and agreed the ServiceNow website terms of use. So these private statements, actually none of them will read. Actually just you wanted to click on this links, so it will open in a new tab, right? So here we have so much pages we have. Usually no one will read this right, privacy statements. So if you wanted to read, that is good to read actually. So this much actually pages no one will read. If you have that much if you are enthusiast to read it, you can read it. So that is actually, it is better to read, but no one will read usually. So if you are interested to read, you can read it. So we have here two buttons, sign in. Here we have two buttons, right? Sign in to an existing account. If you have already existing account, you can use this button. If you are first time you are creating your ServiceNow instance, always you have to click on sign up. So I am just clicking on sign up. It is redirecting to the other page. So it is asking to save the password and username in a my Chrome. So I can save it. So once it is redirected to this page, right, it is saying some alert, thank you, ServiceNow ID has been created for you with this email ID, right? So actually this application requires you to verify your email. Please check your email for a link to verify your account. After verification, you can log into this application. So here you can see the note, this email will be valid for 1 day. So within 1 day you have to be verified, right? So I am just opening my Gmail account. So you have to open your Gmail account, whatever the Gmail account you have provided there. So here if you see one mail we are getting, so ServiceNow, verify your ServiceNow ID. So you have to click on that. Then you can able to see here, hello ServiceNow. So you are receiving this email. We can confirm this email address for your ServiceNow ID. So here you can see one button called as verify email. So click on that verify email, right? It will go for other page and it will be automatically verified. So it is redirecting to the other page, if you see, right? So it is redirecting to the login page. See, so this is actually login page where you can able to log into the ServiceNow instance, right? So here this is the welcome page and automatically email has been filled. If it is not filled, you can give it manually, and password also, as I have saved in my browser, so it is automatically coming. If you don't want to save in your browser, you can give it manually, these two, email and password. So as it is automatically coming these two fields, I will just click on sign in button. So it is redirecting to the other page. This one just it is saying hello ServiceNow, help us you to tune your experience. So we can mention our experience. So what you are going to do with this instance, they're asking, right? So I need a developer oriented IDE, right? So anyways, so just you are ready to create a something great. Yes. So what best describe for your job responsibilities? Developer, designer, IT admin or others. So if you wanted to give something, why you wanted to give this one? I am a developer. I am a Snow developer. You can give whatever you wanted here. So again you can see here, right? I have read and agreed to the ServiceNow developer site of terms. So you have to click this. Here we have a link. If you click on this link, it will go for other, it will redirect to the other page actually. So here if you wanted to read your wish, you can read it. Actually it is better to read anyone, but no one will read that much pages, right? So just click on that checkbox, and we have here two buttons called previous and finish setup. So here you can click on finish setup. See, once you will click on that, so it is redirected to this UI page saying that hello ServiceNow, welcome to the ServiceNow. So here you can see the button start building, right? So you can just click on start building button. So it is redirecting actually. So here you can see one pop-up. We are processing your request. This will only take few seconds. So we have to wait few seconds. So see, here say hello to a better way to manage. So just pop-up is coming. So just you can click on done, and here we have a start building button. Just click on that start building button again, so that it will go for a other page. It will redirect for a other page. So there you can able to see the ServiceNow UI page. So it is taking some time actually. So it will take actually a minute. Here you go. So this is our Master Blaster ServiceNow instance, right? So here some pop-ups are coming. These are not mandatory. So if you want interested, you can read and you can click on next and complete done. So I don't want. I am just closing this pop-up. So here you can see our Master Blaster ServiceNow instance. So here you can see all favorites, history and workspace and admin, different sections, right? Here you can see ServiceNow, and also here you can see main page. So system admin. So this actually instance will give us all the rights, like admin rights, right? So you can able to perform any action as it is an admin instance, as you have a admin access to this instance, correct? So here we have a different buttons. We can discuss later in this buttons, each and every part later. So here main instance. So where is our navigation? Where is our everything in ServiceNow? This is not the everything, right? So our Master Blaster is there here. Actually, you have to click on all. So here you can see our filter. This is our modules which is existing in the ServiceNow. So here you can see as a pin all menus button. You have to pin this. This is very important point. You have to note it. Why? Because here actually if you are not pinning, you don't know actually what is the ServiceNow, and every time if I go here, it will not showcase your modules. So that is the reason I am saying that you have to pin. That is very major important. So you have to pin this. Then you can see your Master Blaster ServiceNow modules. Here you can go. So all the modules are existing here. So for suppose if you wanted to open any incident, so just simply type incident. So here it will come all the incidents. If you wanted to create an incident, just you can click on the create new module here. Then it will redirect you to that page. Alright. So I can open in the same page itself. So just click on that. See, here you go, your incident form. So this is how you can able to create your ServiceNow instance. So here actually you have to remember one main important point, right? You have to note yourself. So whenever you are creating a developer instance, right, free developer instance, so you have to log in at least 2 to 3 days before 10 days, at least once or 2 times you have to log in. So actually if you are not login within 10 days, it will actually destroy everything. So it will give, this instance will given to the other persons, right? They have actually limited instances. So if you are using it, it is active, they will keep with you. Otherwise they will destroy your access. So it is given to the other persons. So because of that, you have to make sure you have to log in your ServiceNow instance at least 10 days, 2 to 3 times frequently. If you are not logging in within 10 days, you are creating of the ServiceNow instance, there is no use of creating first of all, right? So this is how you can able to create your ServiceNow free developer instance. This is the overview of how to create a free ServiceNow instance. If you like this video, click on the hype and don't forget to subscribe. Please share with your friends and relatives who are interested to learn the ServiceNow. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Subscribe for Master with ServiceNow by Muthu. Alright. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Subscribe for more interesting topics and technology. Happy learning. Bye bye.